Hello everybody, today we will do a very short video on the evaluation of this integral 0 to pi theta log sine theta. Okay, before we attack this integral, okay, we will show a very useful tricks, okay. When the integral 0 to pi, okay, theta and then function of sine theta, the theta, okay, which will be pi over 2 and then we drop this theta, okay. Now, we will show this very useful identities here. Okay, the idea is very easy. Okay, just use a simple U substitution. Okay, now we let the integral we want to be I. Okay, and then we let theta is pi minus u. Okay, so in this case, here will be pi and 0, theta will become pi minus u, and then f sine of pi minus u, and then the theta will become du with the minus sign here, and then we flip back the interval, and then pi minus u. F sine sine of pi minus u is just sine of u, so we change back, and then du. And then we notice that we can split this integral into two parts. Okay, the first part is the one without the u here, without the u here, just the pi. Okay, we factorize out, and then another du. Okay, and then another part will be minus with the u here, but this integral is just I. Okay, so we have 2I equals to pi times this integral, and then so I will become pi over 2, and then 0 to pi f sine of u du, which is our original right hand side. Okay, now the second part of this tricks is we can further simplify it. Okay, for this guy, we know it is the pi over 2, 0 to pi, and f of sine theta. But we know that this one is actually equals to 2 times 0 to pi over 2 and then f of sine theta. Okay, this identity has been shown in the video number 2. Okay, now we get the idea, which is very simple. Okay, we have this identity here. Now today we want to evaluate 0 to pi theta log sine of theta d theta. Okay, so this is just our f here. Okay, our fu will become log u just. Okay, so we can apply this identity here. So in that situation, we just need to write down pi and then 0 to pi over 2 log of sine theta d theta. But we already know this integral is just minus pi over 2 log 2. So altogether, we will have minus pi square over 2 log 2. Okay? So what we have today is 0 to pi theta log sine of theta d theta is minus pi square over 2 times log 2. Okay? I hope you guys will enjoy this quick evaluation of this integral. Okay? See you in the next video. Bye bye.